This little cat seems to enjoy this.
Now what do you want to do with the kitty? What do you want to do with the baby kitty? What about over there?
Well, it looks exactly like this
What is that over there?
You couldn't tell them apart.
So we can keep safe.
What do you want to do with the kitty?
Bring it over here and let it be with its brother or
He wants
sister.
to be warm in the drawer.
He's going to get cold with her fur.
And you want to put him in there?
I want to put him over here and see how this will match when I put him in.
Okay, open it now. Let him out. He can't breathe. Still in there? All right, don't shut him. He can't get no air. You have to leave it open some. Is that good?
I'm saying that's enough air. This is enough air.
He can't get out. I think he needs more air.
He'll smother to
I
death.
think that's done.
No, he's not done. Leave him open so he can get
He'll
some air.
smother to death.
Get out.
He wants that.
No. Kitty, no.
Are you holding him down? Don't hold him down. He'll get squashed.
Listen seems to enjoy it, don't it?
He can't get out.
No, he can't get out. He'll be safe in there.
Is it enough air yet?
Yeah, as long as you keep it open, he'll have plenty of air. No, 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 no. You have to keep it open. Hurry, open, he'll die.
Oh, he's climbing up on the...
Oh no, 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 kitty. Oh no, no, kitty.
You get where you can't get it.